Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on inverse function. Find the inverse function of f of x equals negative 5x, then verify that both the composition, the composite function f of the inverse and the inverse of the function are equal to the identity function, meaning equaling x. All right, so how do you find an inverse function? We take f of x is equal to negative 5x. Then we turn it into y equals negative 5x. We take it out of function notation. Then here's the fun part. Switch x and y. Yep, that's it. You switch x and y. That's the whole thing about inverses, is you switch your x and y. So x equals negative 5y, and then we'll solve for y. Well, to solve for y, we just need to divide by negative 5. So y is equal to negative 1/5 x. So f of negative 1 inverse function equals negative 1/5 x. So now we have a function and we have an inverse. So to test, to see if they are actually inverses, we take f of function at the inverse, which is taking the function and putting in negative 1/5 x. So we take negative 5, negative 1/5 x. The negatives cancel. The 5s cancel. And we are left with x. So that checked out. So now we take the inverse at the function, which is taking the inverse of negative 5x, which is taking negative 1/5 x. Oh, negative 1/5 at negative 5x. The negatives cancel, the 5s cancel, and we are left with x. For the record, by definition, if the function if the composite of the inverse in the function is equal to the inverse of the function, so f of inverse of the function is equal to the inverse of the function is all equal to the x, then you have inverse functions. So by definition, this all worked. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video.